So many of you keep falling sick very frequently with allergies and sinus infections, cold and cough, snoring problem, asthma, and dust allergies, and many other ENT related problems. This is the best solution for it. Check the reel completely. Thank you. Take a glass of lukewarm water, add some rock salt in it. Make sure the water is neither hot nor very cold. You can go to your washroom now, check which nostril is active. Start pouring water from the same nostril so that it comes out from the other nostril. Make sure no water is left behind.